Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Okay, let's start. We'll give you two different solutions. Let's start with the first solution. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Hidden multiplication, 15 minus 5 equals 10. Now multiplication, 10 times 10 equals 100. If you solved the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. PEMDAS, E parenthesis, A exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Okay. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operation are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction from left to right. Repeat. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Okay. First parenthesis, 15 minus 5 equals 10. Hidden multiplication. Now, subtraction and multiplication. First, multiplication. 5 times 10 equals 50. Finally, subtraction. 15 minus 50 equals negative 35. The correct answer will be negative 55. Okay. Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.